Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie. I'm a speech-language pathologist, and today I'm going to teach you how to say the TH sound. I'm going to say that for you again because it's a pretty quiet sound. Listen carefully. There's actually two ways to say the TH sound. There's quiet, voiceless TH, and then there's noisy, voiced TH. In this video, we're just going to be talking about the quiet TH. To say the TH sound, you're going to put your tongue just in between your teeth, just a little bit like this. Then you're going to blow air out your mouth like this. It's a quiet sound. You're just sticking your tongue through your teeth a little bit. Don't stick your tongue out all the way. That would look silly. Now I'm going to say the sound, and you say it after me to practice. Are you ready? You try. You try. How did you do? Now you are going to practice 10 more times. You're going to see mouths on your screen that look like this. Every time you see the mouth, I want you to say your TH sound. Don't forget to put your tongue between your teeth. Great job practicing! I made a silly song to help you remember how to say the TH sound. It goes like this. Put your tongue between your teeth just like this. Put your tongue between your teeth just like this. You'll blow the air right out. It's a quiet sound, don't shout. Put your tongue between your teeth just like this. Now I'm going to sing it again, and you're going to sing it with me. Put your tongue between your teeth just like this. Put your tongue between your teeth just like this. You'll blow the air right out. It's a quiet sound, don't shout. Put your tongue between your teeth just like this. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you had fun learning how to say the TH sound. I know I did. If you think you need a little more practice, play the video again. To the SLPs and parents watching this video, I wrote a really helpful step-by-step workbook for teaching the TH sound. It's called I Can Say the TH Sound, and it targets both voiceless and voiced TH. You can download that and use it immediately. Just go to peachiespeechie.com.